We are working on an English computer course, but our system has the Dutch language. You can see it everywhere around. That's not so convenient, so we are going to put it in the English system language. Therefore, we go to the Start button, and when we choose the Start button, we can do the cogwheel instellingen. It's called Settings. And there are many settings, but we will choose their tijd and taal, time and tail and language. When we have chosen that, we can from there also some other settings, but we will choose the taal. It's called, and it is Dutch for language. And then we will choose the language, but the language is not installed at this moment. So you can also choose, set more languages, but we'll put one right here. We'll say we'll put a language and we choose for English. And there are many kinds of English.